So hi all, hope everyone are doing well and everything is going on good. So today's vlog is about an unboxing, unboxing this small box. So what is there in this box is, so this is an analog watch. So not the digital one. It's completely analog, and the specialty of this is this is like an nylon belt type design, and the brand is Joker and Witch. So this is the brand name, and today I'm going to unbox this small box, and I am going to show this what all things has been given from this John Witch, and how does this packing and inner packing of the watch, how does this look, and I am going to I'll just come an overview of this. And, so let me start. So I'm first unboxing the upper box. So the upper box, the first will come to the package and the how we receive. The receiving part is very good, so I have not got any damage in this, and this is how it looks. And the tape covered the packing is also from the John Witch. I guess from the Amazon warehouse, it would have been packed like this. So I'm opening the top cover. And we have a return policy for this, and if the product is not good, so we can return it in 6 days. So the complete, if you're watching into this vlog, and if you like this product, I will add an I'll add an product buying description in the uh, product buying link in the description, so you can buy it. So next, so I took very long time to open this box, and so this is all about the watch box, and inside there is nothing, so empty box, and I have a bill, the Amazon bill, and this is the watch box. So I'll open this. So it's like this. So I open this. It's not a steel box, it is a cardboard box, small box. And so this is the product. So inside and outside also they have boxed with this. So I have, so this is the product. So I guess it has been covered with this outer cover. So I'll open this later. So inside this there is one card like design. So terms and warranties, product tips to keep the product safe and lasting. So this is the card, and the company is Joker and Witch. The company is Joker and Witch. And apart from this, the empty box. So this is a cardboard box. So this is the box. So we are coming to the product. So this is the product. So it will be look good in the casual wear. I guess we can use it it for formals as well, because this is an analog watch. We can use it for formals as well as casuals. So when and this watch is molded with this sponge like design, sponge like holder. So for this has been molded, and this is the product. Watch is Joker and Witch analog watch. First we'll come to the topmost. This is glass, and this is steel. And apart from this, only the analog system is there. Apart from this, there is nothing to see in this. There is no date can't be seen in this, so the date option is not there. Only the analog, only thing is we can see the time, and that too there is no numbers, only the points has been given in this. And the color is gray. So what is the specification of this? Is an nylon like cloth design, and this is an double belt. And so I'm opening this. So this look like this. Steel, outside is steel, and here also they have given two holders to fit this, the ending of the belt. And backside we have a stainless steel. Stainless steel quartz and timing piece by Joker and with stainless steel case. So this is all about the watch. And here so if you're seeing this is fitted with this pin. The pin, like how like usual watches will be, the belts are fitted. So this is designed fitted in the same pin, and in this pin they have given the entire support of these two belts. So to both sides we have the same pin. So if you can see this same pin, so the same pin, these both pins will hold this entire watch. Means I'm telling about this double two belts watch. And but this is completely nylon. So this was the unboxing for today, and I thought to make a vlog of it. So if you guys like this video, and if you're willing to buy the same product, you can also buy it. So I'll add a link in the description. And this is all about the watch. And the holes are there till the end. I guess we can shorten, and we can expand, increase the size. Mm. So I'm wearing it. So this is how it looks. Hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching. And the so I have missed to tell the price, and the price of this is 1349. So I got it for 1349. So suppose the price might increase or decrease even more or lesser than this. And the original price of this is mentioned in the Amazon pages, so 8,999. So almost 9,000 they have mentioned, but I don't know how much true it is, or it is a fake. But I got it for 1349. And this is all about the watch. Hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching.